everyone, welcome to Grammy Korean. Today we're gonna cook one of the easiest and the most beloved Korean food recipe, Kimchi Fried Rice. In Korean, 김치볶음밥. For the ingredients, because it's 김치볶음밥, obviously, you will need some kimchi. And today I'll be making one portion of 김치볶음밥. And for this, I'm gonna use 3/4 a bowl of kimchi. And you will also need an onion. I'm gonna use 1/2 of this onion. There's also a bowl of rice and 1 sausage. You can replace the sausage with ham or any type of meat that you would like. Now we're gonna chop all these ingredients. I'm only gonna use 1/2 of this onion, so I'll cut it in half. Chop them, not too big, not too small. I prefer to chop them 1/2 centimeter on each side. Chop the sausages about the same size as onions. And we're also going to chop the kimchi. For kimchi, I like to chop them a little bit bigger than the onions. Chop, chop, chop them all. And when you're ready, put it aside to make the sauce. The sauce is super simple. Add 1 tablespoon of Korean soy sauce, 1 spoon of fresh water, and a little bit of butter. Now we're done preparing the ingredients. Now put your pan on medium heat and pour in some oil. We're gonna stir fry all the ingredients. Pour in all the onions first and stir fry them. When it starts to get goldish brown, put in your sausages. Now we're gonna put in the kimchi. You don't want it to burn, so I added a bit more oil. Stir it a few times so that the kimchi is coated with oil and heat. Now put down the fire to low heat and let it cook thoroughly. Stir once in a while to get all the sides cooked. Cook until kimchi is half transparent with goldish orange in color. It should take about 5 minutes for the kimchi to be cooked like this. Now it's time for the sauce. Make a little space in the middle of the pan. Push the ingredients to the sides for now. And pour in the mixture of soy sauce, water, and butter. When it starts to bubble, add in the rice. Now mix all the ingredients in the pan. The goal is to get the rice thoroughly coated with the mixture. But be careful not to press or squish the rice too hard. You don't want it to all be squishy. Try to be gentle. When the rice is coated well, give the whole thing a final touch of heat. Let it absorb the heat and all the juice for a minute or so. And we're done!